Howdy, y'all. Today is April 15th. Take a look at what national holidays we have to celebrate today on the Natdaysho. Starting off, we have Laundry Day. And guess what you're supposed to do today? Your laundry. That's it. That's the whole thing. Just do your laundry, okay? So I don't know how I feel about this holiday. But next up is a good one. We've got Purple Up Day, which celebrates the unsung heroes of the military children. Beyond that, we have National Glazed Spiral Ham Day. Kind of feels like maybe that should be Christmas or Easter. But, that's neither here nor there. Have some ham today, if you so choose. I mean, it's not for everyone. Next up, we have National Titanic Remembrance Day. This remembers the day that the Titanic actually sank in 1912. It was hit with the iceberg the night before, but sank in the early morning hours of the 15th. Take a moment and remember not just the James Cameron movie, but the actual sinking of the Titanic. Next up, we have Rubber Eraser Day. You know what you're supposed to do on this day? Seriously, buy rubber erasers. Use rubber erasers. Trade them with friends. Somebody really wants to move some erasers today. Next, we have National Take a Wild Guess Day. You know what you're supposed to do today? Take a wild guess. You're supposed to guess how many of any item is in a jar. What kind of stuff? I mean, it could be anything. It could be pennies. It could be Skittles. It could be nuts and bolts. It could be anything. But you're supposed to fill a jar with something and ask everyone around you to guess how much of that thing is in the jar. So if you love doing that, today is your day. Get out there and guess how many things are in whatever proverbial jar you find. Next, we have National Tax Day. This feels like this should be more of a remembrance day of all of that money that left my paycheck before I got to spend it, and all that extra money that's going to get to go to the government today. National Tax Day. So make of that what you will. Everybody, today's the last day. Get your taxes in so you don't get in trouble, or fill out that I need additional time form and push it out to October. I'm not a tax expert. I can't give you any advice, but just do what you do. So those are the holidays for today. If I missed any, please let me know in the comments. I hope y'all have an amazing day and get out there and celebrate.